Hi, everybody. This is a quick video so you know how to sign up for Hasbot. This is if you missed Tuesday, February 14th. This is the Week at a Glance calendar on Schoology. You can find the information here. First thing you should do is click on learn.concord.org, and that will take you to the website for our information, for our lessons. You should already have an account on this from first semester. If not, let me know. What you're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and log out so you can see what it looks like. What you're going to go ahead and do is log in using your Google information and click your Google information for that. That will log you into your site, and it will have your past classes, but I need you to scroll down. On your page, it should have a place to enter a class code. The class code that you will enter is one of these. Period 1, BHS 1223. Period 3, BHS 3223. Period 5, BHS 5223. And period 7 is BHS 7223. Be sure you do the correct code for your class so you get credit for the work you do. This will enter you into the class, What's the Future of Earth's Climate? Then we did the first activity. Complete activity 1, constructing an argument, and if I can move this, complete the exit quiz on Schoology. So if I go to the activity, here's what we start with. We have 6 different activities in this unit. The first one is constructing an argument on climate. So to begin the activity, you're going to start off by watching a video. The video you may have seen first semester. It is how to construct a scientific argument and how that is different from a normal argument. Then answer the questions. What's the difference between a scientific argument and a regular argument? Why do you think there's uncertainty in science? Is talking about uncertainty important in science? Click yes, and explain your answer. Next page. The next page, we're going to take a look at a graph, and it explains the graph, but here it is. The graph is temperature versus solar activity. The light pink is the yearly temperature. That's why you can see it go up and down so much. Then the dark red is that number averaged every 11 years. That's why that's smoother. The light blue is the solar irradiance, which is how much energy is coming off of the sun. And the dark blue line is its 11-year average. You can see the x-axis has years from 1880 to approximately 2010. And there's values of solar irradiance on the y-axis as well as the temperature change. 0 is right here. A plus 0.5 degree change is up here. A minus 0.5 degree change, and so on. Answer the questions. What quantity is shown on the x-axis? Which color line shows the temperature over time? There are 4 sets of lines on the graph. Looking at the lines, what is the average temperature change reading in degrees Celsius for the year 2000? The next section is making a claim. You're going to make a claim based on the graph. Is Earth's temperature dependent on the level of solar activity? Yes or no? So when you look at that, you can see solar activity is the blue line, and it seems to increase till about 1960. And then what happens? It starts to go back down. Temperature seems to increase, and then at about 1960, it begins to go up again. So knowing that, is Earth's temperature dependent on the level of solar activity? explain your claim. If you want information about how to select a good claim, look on the side here. It's based on evidence. You can get the evidence from graphs or charts or from models. And then write an explanation. When you write your explanation, tell me where the evidence is. What evidence did you use that backs up your claim? When there's a graph or table, you can mention exactly from that graph or table what you learned. Use specific examples. If there's a model, describe what happened in the computer model. And then make sure that you combine that with scientific knowledge if you can. Finally, it does give you a good example down here of how to cite evidence from the graph. Step 3, select a certainty rating. How certain are you and what affected that? How did you come to that certainty rating? And always remember that you don't always know what you don't know. So the graph might be incomplete. So you would always want to see if there's more data available. Next, the last part just talks about this little AI, the AI that judges to see how good your explanations are. It will give you a rating from 1 to 5. A quick hint, it looks for keywords like according to the graph. The evidence I found was. The keywords like this will help your rating go higher. And the last question says, in this module where there's a little question mark, that can help you. So it says, click on the hint for this question to select the real answer. So to do that, click on that, and it will tell you which of these answers is correct. All right, when you're done, you can take the exit quiz, and the exit quiz is found in Schoology. If it's not enabled, when you're in class, please let me know. The quiz takes approximately 3 to 5 minutes to complete. If there are any questions, please let me know.